like we're running, but we're not pumping. So we got more than just heat strip. Started doing a little welding, you know what I mean? Running, we are pumping. Ooh, don't think you're gonna touch it now. Alright guys, what's up guys? I'm on a repair call, just pulled up to the house. It's a Trane heat pump package unit. Undoubtedly somebody else from the company come out Monday and couldn't find any problems. I was lucky when I first got out of the van and walked over to the unit. I heard something clicking in, like click 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 like that. So I got out and I come over here and noticed something a little funny. This Trane, this is the heat strip section, right? So looking in here, I believe y'all can tell me what's wrong, can't you guys? That center wire there is burnt all up, and I would assume it's probably burnt up due to potentially heat strip going bad or either loose wiring connection, but I'll get in there and see what's going on. But you know, the customer was complaining that she was complaining that it was set on 70 and it was 76 in the house. So anyway, I have to further troubleshoot this and see exactly what's going on here, guys. Got the gauges hooked up. Y'all can hear how loud that compressor is. Actually, we're just about equalized on the high and low side. Compressor is obviously running. Let's see, if I can hold on to that liquid line like that and not be burning, then y'all know something ain't right guys? It's cold. And this is just a little warm. So it's like we're running, but we're not pumping. So we got more than just heat strip wiring issues, right? Okay guys, so what I did is I took the power wire out from here, from this terminal, and I took the power going out of it, going to the heat strip, the 5 kW heat strip, and tied them together with a wire nut. Cut off the bad wire here. I think it was a loose wiring connection, because I checked this one and this one, they were also loose. This was the only one that was tight. So this thing here is really boogered up. You can barely turn it. I was lucky enough to turn it just to get the power wires out of it without stripping the head out, because it done started doing a little welding, you know what I mean? And so that's one thing. Now as far as with the compressor, we're just gonna have to get into that and see why that thing's running, pulling amps, but not pumping. Okay guys, so I got that wire replaced, the bad part cut out, and got a good connection. And now, if y'all can see this or not, yeah, y'all already know, right? That compressor straightened out. We got condensation on the suction line. You don't even need to look at the gauges, but I got some hooked up, so we're gonna look at them anyway. And here we are, 135 over about 350. We are running, we are pumping. Ooh, don't think you're gonna touch it now. But I think this one's in the bag. Oh my goodness, and look at this. Already starting to condensate and pull water out the house. Alright guys, I'm going to have to say this one's in the bag. What was happening was it was back feeding power. Grounding out, because in here, in the control section, we had that wire. It was grounding out back on this part, right? I mean, I can't put my finger over there because there's power on it, but right here on that part, but back over there, then it was grounding out and it's back feeding power to the compressor, shorted out power. So that's what it was. That's it right there. That should have them back up and going. All right guys. Oh, another one in the bag.